Vanakam! Today I have something exciting for the girls out there. Yes, you're guessing it right. I am going to make a makeup tutorial. I'm not at all a professional makeup artist, but today I'm going to share with you how I do my makeup. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to make a very simple, elegant and very dewy kind of makeup. You can wear this makeup when you're going out with your friends, when you're gonna chill, or maybe when you're going on a date. Why not? Let me just jump into my makeup tutorial. As you can see, I've prepped my face. My face is all moisturized. The first thing that I'm going to apply on my face is primer. Primer is very important because it's going to make sure that your makeup stays on your face all day long. And nicely apply it on your face. It is super duper important as you don't want your makeup to go off in the middle of the day. It's very obvious that I've not threaded my eyebrows yet. It's MCO guys. MCO. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows first as I have some tinkering work to do. First thing first, just kind of brush your eyebrows. By brushing your eyebrows, you're kind of going to know what shape it's going to be and how to shape it. Now using an eyebrow pencil, I'm just going to sort of draw my eyebrows. As you can see, I've drawn my eyebrows only at this part of my eyebrows. I did not go to the middle part. What I'm going to do now is, again by using this brush, I'm sort of going to blend whatever I drew so that it's not harsh. And with the balanced product that is left on the brush, I'm sort of going to brush in the middle part. This is the result, but as you can see, my eyebrows is still ugly. So this is the trick which most of you would have known. I'm going to use a concealer to sort of cover up all the excessive hairs that I have not threaded yet so that my eyebrows look clean and well shaped. I'm going to use the concealer from NYX. It's called Deep 3CP03. I'm going to pick a color which is similar to my skin tone. Using a flat brush, you just have to draw the outer part of your eyebrows. And with this, I am going to sort of just pull the concealers down. And here, I'm just going to sort of pull it upwards. Next, I'm going to go with the NYX Foundation. The tip for foundation application is that you have to blend it properly so that it's not patchy. And when you're choosing your foundation coat, make sure you go for something similar to your skin color. Now I'm going to move to the next step, which is the concealer. It is advisable for you to use a beauty blender to blend your concealer. I'm going to spray rose water on my beauty blender so that it's a bit wet. Now I am going to just blend it off. Now I'm going to take the loose powder and sort of going to dab it wherever I have applied the concealer. You have to do this so that your product doesn't move. I'm going to start the eye makeup. I'm going to use the same concealer palette, but this time I'm going to take a brighter shade. Using a blending brush, I sort of going to apply the concealer onto my eyelids. To be honest, there is no right or wrong in makeup. You just have to know the right skills and products to enhance the beauty that you already have. I'm going to immediately pat powder onto my eyelids to sort of set the concealers. Okay, now my concealer is not going to move anywhere. I've kind of locked the product onto my skin. The first palette that I'm going to use is the Tarte palette. I'm going to use this color. This shade is called Starfruit. Next, I'm going to go for a dark brown shade. This shade is called Upper Hand from the Revolution Pro palette. Do not worry, I'll list down all the products that I've used below so you can check it. What I'm going to do with this dark brown is that tap on my eyelids. Since I want this look to be very soft and simple, I'm not going to use an eyeliner. Instead, I'm just going to draw a line using eyeshadow. same transition color that I've used just now. I'm going to blend the darker shade on my lower lid. Nothing is going to look good without blending, so all you gotta do is just keep blending. Using a kajal, I'm just going to draw it on my waterline. Next off, the mascara. Just in case if you miss it, do not immediately go and wipe it off. It's going to smudge everywhere, trust me. Leave it for a while, let it dry, and then when you wipe it, it's not going to smudge as much as before. People tend to forget their lower lashes, but I think it makes a big difference. Next, I'll go with my lipsticks. For me, I love mixing lipsticks. So I'm going to mix this both. First, I'm going to just dab this pink. And now the top coat will be this one. What's very important for Gundu people like me is contouring. Yes, you gotta contour your face so that it looks nice. I'm going to use the bronzer in the same Tarte palette. For the blusher, I'm going to use MAC. I'll just blend my blusher together with my contour and I'll stop here. I will not bring it to the center of my face nor my nose, or else I'm going to look plump. Just blend it here so that your face looks lifted. Last but not the least, it's the highlighter. I'm done with my makeover. I really hope all of you guys enjoyed my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting more exciting contents. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.